Hi, today we're looking at a solution that we have currently implemented for a number of our clients in the property management industry. So this will be a part 1 of a 3-series video covering the functions that we have customized for our clients. To begin this video, we will be looking at how SQL Accounting can help manage building maintenance and sinking fund billings. Alright, so most GMB and GMCs will actually calculate the amount based on the square feet or the build-up of a particular unit. To set this up, first we will need to go to maintain customer, so you can see all your owners and their unit numbers here. So let's say example we want to check here Mr. John. We can press edit here and we can come to tenant information, so you can see okay, so this unit is 980 square feet. Our system can actually take into account whether the unit is calculated based on square feet or based on share value. Alright, so once you're done, we just press save. And let's close this. Alright, so now once you have set up the square feet and the share value of a particular unit, we can actually come back to here, stock, and we come to maintain stock item. This is actually where we will create the charges per share value or per square feet. Alright, so let's say we click service charges here. Here you can see we are charging 30 cents per square feet. Alright, so of course if your rates are different, we can come in here and we can amend it accordingly. Alright, so let's say now we are done with this, we can now prepare to generate the monthly billing. So to do that, we come to sales here, we come to quotations. Here we can see a service charges quotation. All we just need to do is we press edit here. Let's say we want to do for October, so we jump here, get 01/10/2020. We change the service charges from June to October 2020. Alright, just make sure your terms are correct. Some property management is 14 days, so we change it to 14 days, and then we just press generate bill. So you can see we have 4 units here. Once you're done, you just press OK. Done. Alright, so we want to save all this information, we press save. So now we will have to check whether or not the invoices has been generated correctly. To do that, we just need to come into invoices here. Here we can see October, invoices 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double click into one of them. You can see the square feet 1230 units times your 30 cents will give you $369. Alright, so each unit will calculate the rates and the amount per month differently. Alright, so that's all for today. We really hope that you find this helpful. Stay tuned for our second part of our video where we will be covering on how to keep track of water billing in SQL Accounting. Thank you very much.